A bit of a layout update. Off right now with a nasty back injury. I can't really do much, so I thought maybe I'll post some videos. Anyway, what I have here are two Athearn bluebox G38s that I've modified. And I weathered them a ways back. I wasn't too happy with the weathering, so I decided to take some 99% isopropyl alcohol and water, 50-50 mix, and give these a wash. And what I ended up with, the result I'm quite happy with. I think they look pretty good. So I kind of got carried away and I did a whole bunch of them. Here's 3 blue boxes in a row here. This is SD40-2 6053 that I also did in an earlier video when I did the Tsunami install. So what I decided to do was remove the paint, overspray, and everything on from my overweathering. So they turned out pretty good. They sure look good with everything else here. I'm just going to pick up the camera and move a ways back. And so I kind of went to town. You can get a little higher up here. And I weathered a few more. The one you see right in front of you right there, 5721, 6040, 6, and 6049. They're all Bowsers that I just recently weathered. I'm not quite done yet. I have a little bit of rust work to do on them, down on the trucks and the couplers. But I tell you, boy, these Bowsers are absolutely beautiful. I have 3 of them now. In the background I have Sue SD60M, and I have my SD70 I also weathered as well. And I'm in the works on this one here, which is 9608. I'm going to get right into the background here. There's an ex-Norfolk Southern high nose, which is now a CP Rail B unit, 5475 weathered, and an SD45, or what they call an SD40M2, which is a, I believe, a Morrison Knudsen rebuild. They call it an SD40M2 or 2M in the background. And right in front, I overweathered TM&N's SD40-2, so I decided to take the alcohol to it, cleaned him up as well. And over here in the background I have .7063 weathered. That has a micro Tsunami. I've done the video already. And this is a Proto 1000 RS3 that I have recently weathered as well. Okay, I've saved the best 2 for last. Right here, so move the camera back a little bit more for you. Right here is the red barn I did with Tsunami sound. And I also took the alcohol to it as well. Cleaned it up a bit. Behind it, right there, is my 5912 that I did a video on recently. I need to start it up. I'll give you a little detail on this. Since I originally done it, I had a single sugar cube speaker and those Dumbo, and I went back in and put in a Zemo dual speaker, and it sure sounds a whole lot better. I know a lot of the guys have been working with these sugar cubes, and I highly recommend that you use two. Then they don't have that static kind of sound, like overpowering. I looked into it and I found that these were rated at 0.75 of a watt, and the decoder's output is 1 watt. So really what's happening is they're clipping from being overpowered. If you put 2 in, you'll get 1.5 watts of power handling, and you won't get any clipping anymore, and the sound's incredible. 6049 and 6046 are right behind him. They still have the stock speakers, which I will be putting in the duals just to bring the sound up. I'll turn the light on here for you. Ditch light. And I'm in low idle right now, so you can hear the difference probably between him and the red barn here. I'm going to show you a little something between the Loc sound and the wow sound. So, let me find a pointer here. Right now they're both idling. Loc sound's on low idle. I did the full throttle feature. Here's Loc sound. Now if you notice, he's actually at the same idle as 9023. If you listen to the 9023, they run really nice together. They both have excellent motor control. 9023's bell sounds like this. And the horn. The 5912's bell sounds like this. And the horn. Yeah guys, that's the Loc sound for you, and with those dual Zemos, sounds absolutely fantastic. So I'm just going to mute 9023 for a second here.
Night mode active.
Oops, didn't mean that one.
Sound mode active.
So there you go, you just got the Loc sound running right now. I think these are probably the 2 best decoders that are available right now, hands down. Anyway, this video is starting to run on, so probably time I shut these down. So there you have it. I guess you can say that's pretty well my layout update, because I haven't really done anything else as of lately. So thanks for watching, guys.